I am at the Santa Claus House in North Pole, Alaska. Check this place out, see what it's all about. So if you wondered where Santa keeps his reindeer, this is it. Live reindeer. Check them out. So cool. Only in Alaska. Oh, look at the rack on that guy. That's the poobah. They're about to be fed.
Just go start around the edges and go all the way around.
Smells Christmassy in here. It's beautiful renderings, mural outside here on the tile. It's just pretty. And if you don't know, that is the real address. Really amazing. Santa Claus is here 365 days a year. He rests on Monday and Tuesday. I take that back. Yeah, it's just amazing. All kinds of cool things you can get here. Toys, of course. And over here is Santa's workshop. See Santa Claus's globe that he peers in to make sure little boys and girls are doing the right thing, not being naughty. Got to keep up with time and all the time zones, of course. And then there's the naughty and nice list. The workshop. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Christmas year round here. So another really cool thing that they do here, and we've done this for our grandson, you can come up to any of the checkout areas and you can purchase a plot of land for your kids. So here it is. This is the holiday tradition for generations. It includes a letter from Santa Claus with his official mail seal, a photo of Santa, a good list member sticker, and a Santa dollar. And you can also buy a genuine deed for a square inch of North Pole land. It's really cool. Really cool thing.
It's not regular.
Or do you run now? Okay.
And it's not just Christmas stuff. I mean, there's all kinds of just fantastic souvenirs here that you can buy. One of the cooler things that I would really like to get, but they're very pricey. So that is a baleen, which is found inside the mouth of a whale. But you see the little feathered things on there. That's used to pull in plankton so they can trap the plankton and eat. But when they die, you can get these jaws. So that's essentially a whale's jawbone. And they make a bunch of different things out of these whale jawbones. And they're really cool. I mean, it's a once in a lifetime kind of thing to get, but they're proud of them, to say the least. So, I mean, you're going to pay $1,000 probably to get some of these designs. And my mother-in-law Tracy, if she's watching, she will recognize these. We bought her one of these last year. Hand-carved, wood-fired bears. This is the gentleman that does the work, Tom Robertson. Made in Big Lake, Alaska. Of course, Santa has a sweet shop. Santa loves his sweets, everybody knows that. Old school kind of soda fountain. Time remaining till Christmas. It's only 124 days, guys. Better start buying. I really love this place. It's the second time I've been to Fairbanks, and second time I've been to Santa Claus House. It's really a cool spot. I promise it was not me. But yeah, guys, I mean, that is Santa Claus House. This place is amazing. I love it here. A lot of cool things to see and do. You can even get your photo taken with Santa Claus if you choose to. And just an amazing amount of souvenirs and just cool things. I don't know, you just, it's one of those things I can't really put it into words. You just have to come here and experience it for yourself. But yeah, just amazing. Got a Santa letters station over here, personalized ornaments, purchase letters, but you can also, as I said before, you can have it sent personally to your child or loved one or whatever it is that you choose to do. So, but hey, if you're ever up here, this is a place that you definitely want to come to. As I said before, this was my second trip to Fairbanks, Alaska and the North Pole. I've enjoyed Santa Claus House and the Antler Academy both times and would highly recommend anyone going and checking these two places out if you're up that way. Also, if you liked what you're hearing, liked what you're seeing, please hit that alert bell so you don't miss anything we're doing. Like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you a dime, helps us out a ton. And as always, join the Moonlight Mafia. We have cocktails.